Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey guys, all right, we need your help. So we are very close to 3,000 subscribers. We're averaging about 100,000 views a week, and we've got about 2,800 subscribers. So if you guys could hit the subscribe button for us, we would greatly appreciate it, and it would really help us in moving these projects along and our channel. So if you could do that for us, we'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and on to the video. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Sunday. I don't really know what day it is. We're like 2 days from us leaving for Louisville. We leave Tuesday afternoon around 1 o'clock-ish. So we're getting ready. Big day today, got a lot going on. Thought I'd kind of walk you through where we're at, because I know a lot of you guys are watching this, are interested in that. So let me show you what we got here. All right. Truck camper is on the truck. You guys have seen that. Went ahead and loaded up the grill, propane tanks, cribbing, all the other stuff we're gonna need. Working on getting the truck ready. I just checked all the fluids, we were good there. It's hot out here, boys, it is hot. We got the thing loaded up. I think I'm gonna give it a bath tomorrow on the trailer. I mean, why not? Throw the windows in it and give it a bath. I went and got 5 gallons of 90 non-ethanol put in it, so now we got a full tank of fuel, so we'll be good there. Yeah, all in all, car's doing great. Don't have any issues with the car. Got it up on the trailer, got the trailer all hooked up, we're good there. All our wiring works, we have all the things that we need there. I do have a bulb I have to replace in here, a running light. I have brakes, I have turn signal, I have all that stuff, but I don't have a running light here, so I got to fix that. But yeah, this is our rig, boys. So we got a 2003 Dodge Ram dually diesel with a 5.9 Cummins that we did. This is the one we just did the frame swap on. Then we got a 2004 Lance 1161. It's 11 foot 11 inches. This is about the big of a truck camper as you're going to get, especially for 2004. I think this is the biggest one they made. And then you got our 73 Volkswagen thing and our car trailer. We just checked all the tires. They're all sitting right. Now we're just, you know, getting it together. I'll show you guys the inside of this. You'll like this. And it's air conditioned, which is just a huge plus for me. All right. So this will be me and Ron's home for the next for next week, really. So we got our bed up here. We're gonna sleep up here. We're bunking up. We both have our storage on both sides. We can put our clothes in. This thing's pretty cool. It's got a pantry here. We're all stocked up with all the stuff we should need, which is great. Our plan is to cook while we're gone. Try not to do all the things. Got the fridge rocking. We've got lunch meat down there, the Coke Zeros. But also have steaks and center cut pork chops and fries and sausage patties and all the things, because we have a really good stove. The oven and stove on this work great. Microwave, everything here works good. Again, this was my home, me and my wife in Oregon, and up by Mount St. Helens in Washington. I think we were in Longview. We lived in this for a little over 3 months, I think. But you got the banquette here mixed into a bed. I brought my TV from my camper in my bedroom, and it didn't have feet because I had it hanging on the wall, so I bought these feet for 20 bucks. They're the On feet, ONN, from Walmart. They work great, guys. If you're looking for feet for a deal, that's what they look like. Worked out really well. So we'll have an ability to watch TV, which is great. AC works amazing. Got
pots, pans, toaster, all that. You know, when you camp, you don't want to take a ton of stuff. Got a bunch of drinks and beer and everything else under here. So we're looking pretty good, I think. All the things we've been collecting for days. So, and then back here, for those of you wondering, we have a bathroom. So you got a little shower back here. I mean, it's not a huge shower, you know. My big ass will have a problem in that shower, but we do have a toilet, which is good because we can stop anywhere on the road and use the restroom. Kind of nifty. You got toilet paper and stuff in here. Got a medicine cabinet up here. Pretty cool. Got a little night light that works at night, which is helpful if you're trying to stumble around the camper. But yeah, this is our house. This is our 2004 Lance 1161, I believe. And pretty cool camper, really, for what it is. We got the sink, dual sinks. All this is storage. You know, got the thing where you can hang. Got the same thing here. Another one here. You got another little storage there. You just got tons of storage in this thing. We love this camper. We've had it forever. We actually traded, believe it or not, a 1930 Ford Model A two-door sedan body for it, and back in the day, and it's been here ever since. That was probably 2008, 7, 8, something like that. So yeah, guys. So really, I have not had a chance to spin you around here. I haven't really had a chance to get on the Apache the past couple days, which I apologize. There's just a lot going on. It's hotter than hell. I think we're sitting at 107 right now, with like 50-60% humidity. You know, I don't want Ron to die out there, right? That's kind of the idea. So, so we're taking a lot of breaks, doing a little bit, accomplishing some goals, taking breaks, and just getting ready. I may tinker with the Apache later. I doubt it though. We're ahead of the game because we were going to load the thing tomorrow. But since we got it loaded today, cool. So really what I'm down to now is loading up a couple more things, making the bed up here, getting all our bedding and stuff, which actually is right there, and get that up there, and then get our clothes in here, and then we'll be looking pretty good. So if you're there, if you're camping at the fairgrounds, come see us. I have no idea what spot we're in. I don't think anybody does at this point, but you know what we're in, Big Red with the Lance truck camper. Swing on by, say hi, have a beer, hang out. We do have Starlink for internet, so we'll be mounting that up on the roof, so that way we've got good Wi-Fi, so you know, I can post for you guys show coverage and stuff. So I want to do a better job this year than I did last year for sure, as far as getting videos and stuff out while I'm at the show. So I know it's a select group that wants to see the Street Rod Nationals, but it's pretty cool, and I like watching it, looking back on it, you know. So my plan is, here's how we're looking at this. We're going to leave Tuesday about 1 o'clock. I got something I got to do in the morning that's going to take me to right around noonish. Ron will be sitting here ready to go, ready to pull out. I'm going to pull up and probably hit the bathroom and leave. And our goal is to get through Atlanta, as far past Atlanta as we can, without hitting rush hour. So I think it's 7 hours, 8 hours from here, especially as slow as we're going to be driving, you know, running 70 kind of thing, 65, 70. So yeah, so we'll get up there, and then Wednesday we'll roll in and hopefully be in there, you know, 1, 2 o'clock kind of thing, and get our spot. And I think the first thing we'll do is take the car over, take it off the car trailer, register the car if we can, if it's open on Wednesday, I'm not sure, and then take the car trailer over to the trailer parking, which is right there, and dump it. And then they've got a secure
trailer parking lot, which is pretty cool. Right by registration there, where they same area where they do the drifting and stuff. So we'll do that, and then I'll probably bring the car in, or follow Ron. I might just follow Ron into the campground, get us set up, and then take the car in and get our spot and set up our tent and do all those things for Thursday. And then Thursday we should just be making breakfast and walking into the show. If any of you guys are watching that are interested in the 1973 Volkswagen thing, it will be there. It will be for sale. You know, if you're looking for a Volkswagen thing, I got one. So that's going to happen. But I'm going to bring you a lot of coverage, I think, of I'm going to walk the show, ride the shuttle with the camera. I think I'm going to walk through the inside, all the exhibitors and stuff, and show you guys that. And I think Friday and Saturday, probably Saturday more than Friday, I'll set up the camera on the tripod and we'll record all the cars coming in the main gate. That parade of cars coming in and everything. And I won't put music to it. You guys get the cars are the music. And we'll do that and some stuff like that. Walk through the swap meet and show you guys all that. And check out a bunch of cars, anything we see that we like and all that. I'll bring all that to you. And it'll be shorts. It'll also be, you know, videos once we get back. I won't have a laptop. I will not have an ability to post an actual long video unless I take it with my phone. But I can do shorts and stuff, so you'll see a bunch of that coming out. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's where we're at, boys. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's about 3 o'clock, I think, something like that, 2 or 3. And we're about 85% ready to go. So I think I could be out of here within an hour if I had to at this point. So feeling good about that. So thanks for watching. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe. For all you new subscribers, thanks for subscribing. We really appreciate it. I promise you I'll make it worth your while. We're in kind of a weird moment right now where we're trying to get to a show and there's 100,000 things to do. But at the same time, build an Apache and, you know, bear with me. Here within about a week, we'll have all the Apache content you'll ever want in your life. You'll be right there with us, and I'll get some really good video of that. And I think we're going to start with bodywork, boys. I think that's what's going to happen when we come back, bodywork. And try to get that cab as close as we can, get it primed, epoxied, and then heavy primed, and then get the cab off the frame, start building the frame. So that's the plan. So stay tuned for that, and then we'll start building an LS, and then we'll start doing all that. So that'll be kind of fun. So I'm looking forward to it. So hang in there, guys. Hope you're having a good one. We'll be back tomorrow. I'll bring you another update of where we're at. If I do anything to the Apache, I will video and bring it to you. But for now, this is kind of where we're at. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the morning.